Papunta rin ba kayo ng Malaysia soon? Well, panoorin nyo itong video na to. So, starting last year, 2024, ay kailangan na ng Malaysia Digital Arrival Card para sa mga papasok ng Malaysia. Relevant yan para sa ating mga Pilipino dahil most of us ay hindi covered ng exceptions. Check nyo na lang doon sa immigration website ng Malaysia. So you will be able to find the Malaysia Digital Arrival Card at imi.gov.my and i-navigate nyo lang hanggang mahanap nyo yung MDAC or yung Malaysia Digital Arrival Card, then click the link to find the form na kailangan nyong i-fill out. Website nila very intuitive naman, maraming guides and medyo madali lang i-navigate. Nakalagay agad yung register, so hindi kayo mawawala doon sa website. Also, yung website nila ay friendly sa mga mobile devices, so madali lang siyang i-fill out. Also, yung mga information na hinihingi doon sa digital arrival card nila ay fairly basic lang din naman. Name, passport, date of birth, citizenship, sex, date of passport expiry, email address, country code, mobile number, and your travel information katulad ng iyong date of arrival, departure, flight numbers, and also your accommodation in Malaysia. And that is pretty much it. So, remember, before entering Malaysia, within 3 days of your arrival, kailangan fill out yun na yung MDAC or Malaysia Digital Arrival Card. See you in Malaysia!